What's up everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a very good restoration part for the 1985 and 1986 Mustang GTs, and that is DCR's body molding that is located at the front of the rear quarter panel. DCR's GT moldings are going to be for the 85 and 86 Mustang GT owner out there who is either replacing old or missing moldings, or the car is being restored and you've opted for new moldings to complete your project like we've done on our 85 GT. DCR makes these moldings from urethane and utilize integrated metal strips for additional rigidity. The top side of the molding will feature the correct recessed GT logo as well as the recessed accent stripe at the front. If we flip the molding over, we'll find pre-installed double-sided tape as well as the two locating tabs which align the molding with the recessed groove in the quarter panel. DCR does pre-paint these, so technically they are ready for installation right out of the package if that's the route you want to take. However, you can have your local body shop professionally prep and paint these moldings, which is what we recommend because of the intricacies with the recessed GT logo. The main area of the molding will need to be painted with our dark gray exterior paint, which is commonly referred to as SVO gray, and the light gray color for the GT logo will need to be color matched by the body shop. These moldings are correct for 1985 and 1986 hatchback and convertible Mustang GTs. They are currently available individually or in our 10-piece molding kit for those of you that are looking for a complete body molding solution. So since we've touched base on body molding installation before, feel free to check out our other videos that show this process. So a little pro tip for you though is before you install urethane or rubber body moldings, set them in the sun for a few minutes. That way the moldings can absorb some heat and become pliable. Doing this will allow the molding to lay flat against the body of the car and prevent the ends from peeling up. It's also important to note that the surface of the car on which the double-sided tape is going to stick to is free of waxes, sealants, or other forms of paint protection. Thoroughly wipe these areas with a wax and grease remover or isopropyl alcohol. You'll then want to follow the instructions for the adhesion promoter and then install the moldings. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Foxbody restoration videos, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do by now for all things Foxbody Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.